Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Thomas in Pennsylvania on this new Mirage MX-36HP3. Thomas, I went ahead and already removed the green wrapper. I'm done with that because I wanted people to see how beautiful this little radio is. Pretty compact design as well. About like a Cobra. It's AM and FM. Top back. Got your RF power here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bands. Noise blanker, 10 kc jump, high, medium, low dimmer, and your channel 919 button there. And also has a SWR switch here, and it auto calibrates. Alright, let's get right to it. Thomas, RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Set you to 1/2 watt so you can run just about any amp you need to. 5 watts on the high side, 50-watt slug. I'm going to show you average power first. Oh, and we did put the Bechet finals in this, as well as the Toshiba voltage regulator. Low audio. So there we go, 2021 Bird. Peak power. Hello audio, 45 peak. Alright, Thomas, this thing's ready to come to you. Beautiful radio. I've got about a case of these left. And this cute little stand here. I'm going to start carrying these too. I really like these. But Thomas, appreciate you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.